Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Understanding Academic Fundamentals. Today's topic is creating table in MS Word. Okay, so to create table in MS Word, click on Insert tab. There is table, click on table. There are different ways to create table. Okay, now we'll go one by one. The first method is by selecting the squares given here. Okay, you can select these squares for number of columns and number of rows. Okay, so this is my table, the first method. We know that the table is nothing but collection of columns, yes, and the collection of rows, correct. Now the second method is, again in Insert tab, click on table. Here there is Insert table. If I click on Insert table, there is number of columns and number of rows. Okay, so here default value is given, number of columns 5 and number of rows 2. Now you can give your own number of columns. Let's say I want 4 columns and I want 6 rows, so I will change the value here and click on OK. You can see your table with number of 4 columns and 6 rows. Clear? Now the third method is, again in Insert, click on table. There is draw table. You can draw the table manually. There is a pencil and you can draw it like this, number of columns and number of rows. Clear? So these are different method to create table. Okay, so this is my table. So you can see here, when you select the table or when you create the table, there are two extra tabs here, design tab and layout tab. Okay, now in design tab you can see table styles. Okay, so here different designs are available. You can select any of the style or the design and you can apply it on your table. Okay, so let's say I am selecting this design, so it will get appear on my table. Okay, now here you can see the alternate rows are colored. Yes, alternate rows are colored. This colored rows are called as banded rows. Okay, so if I don't want this colored rows, okay, I just have to click banded rows. Here there is table style option. Here there is banded. Just click on this, this will get disappear. Now if I want banded columns, like banded rows, there are banded columns, means the alternate columns will be colored. So you have to click on banded columns and you can see the alternate columns are colored. Okay, now same like rows and columns, there is header. Okay, header row, where we give the heading or the title of the columns, correct. So if I don't want to highlight this header row, I just select on the deselect the header row option and it will be the normal row. Clear? So in this way you can modify your table with the help of table style options and table designs. Okay, now if I want to change the color, okay, I want to change this background color, I can just go in the shading and I can select any color I want. Okay, in this way we can give the color. Okay, if I want to give the color to the remaining columns also, you can select this and you can select the color from here, shading option, and you can give the color to your column. Okay, so in this way you can apply different styles or you can apply different designs on your table. Clear? Now there is layout tab. Okay, in layout tab there are different options available for rows and columns. Okay, now let's say if I want to insert row, okay, after this row I want to insert a row. Let me take a simple design first. Okay, now let's say I want to insert a row below this row. I will just go and select on insert below and one row will be inserted below the given row. Okay, now if I want to insert a row above this row, I will just click on the insert above, and one row will be inserted above the given row. Clear? If I want to insert the column to the left, I will just click on the column insert left, one column on the left will get inserted. If I want to insert the column to the right side, I will just click on the insert right, and one column to the right side will get inserted. Okay. Now one more method is there to insert column. You just have to click on the last cell and press the tab button. Okay, in this way you can insert the rows. Okay, again there is one more option, right click, and there is insert, and insert there are all the options available. You can insert left, right, above and below. Clear? So in this way you can insert rows and columns to your table. Okay, now if I want to delete a particular row, or if I want to delete a particular column, okay, so there is delete option available. Just click on the row or a column, delete. If I want to delete a column, first column, I will select that column, this column, delete column. Okay, if I want to delete this row, I will select the delete row option. The row will get deleted. Okay, let's say if I want to delete the entire table, I will select the table and the table will get deleted. Clear? So this is delete option. Now there is merge cell. Okay, merge option is there. In merge, if I want to merge the cells, merge means you are combining the cells. If I want to merge all these three cells, I will select the cells, click on merge cells, and you will see that the three cells are merged and combined in one cell. Okay, now if I want to split the cell, okay, let's say I want to split this column into two, I will just click on this split cell. It will ask me for number of columns and number of rows. If I want to divide it in two parts, I will give number of columns as 2 and number of rows will be 1. Okay, and you can see here this cell is divided into 2. So in this way you can split the cells. Now if you want to split the table, if I want to split table from here, I will just click on here and split table. Your table will get divided into two parts. Okay, in this way you can use merge option here. Okay, so let's say this is a table. Okay, now one more option is there in layout tab. There is alignment option. Okay, so from here you can give the alignment to your text of the table. Okay, there are 6 alignment. Let's say if I want to align the text in the center, I will select this. Okay, if I want to keep it on left and center, I will select this. So you can give different alignment from here. Okay, if you want to change the direction of the text, you can select the text and change the direction right like this. Okay, clear? So in this way you can have different alignment of your table text. Okay, now this was all about the creating table in MS Word. Okay, we have seen how to create table, how to give designs to your table, styles to your table, how to modify it, and how to manage your table. Yes, rows and columns of the table, correct, and the alignment. Okay, so I hope now you all can create the tables in MS Word. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, and like the video, share it with your friends, share your feedbacks and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.